I've got the Mavic Air Fly More Combo. We are going to unbox this thing and see what's inside. Okay. Okay, how do you get this thing open? Let's take the plastic off. That's Shelley. She's behind the camera. Lots of plastic. The Mavic Air Combo. $920. Let's see what's inside. Ooh, nice box. Look at that. Wow. She's a keeper.
I am.
Got a nice case. It's like high quality. What's this? It's a Mavic Air shoulder bag. Made in China. Looks like along with some instructions. We got another box of something. It says Mavic Air Instructions NA. Made in China too. And this must be the DJI Mavic. We'll get to this in a minute. First, that's all that's in the box. Whoa, there's something else in here. Let's open this up. It's nothing. It's empty. What the heck? Are they trying to fool us or something? DJI. What the heck was that about? Okay, this is going back in the box. Anyway, that's the box that came in. And this is the Aunts Black Motto. Enough of that. Okay, let's first see what's inside here. Let's open this up. Kind of tricky. It's the rings for the impellers. You got four rings. And wow, you have a whole bunch of manuals. You get the Fly More Combo, quick start guide. You got some sort of disclaimer and safety guidelines. You got the instructions on the intelligent flight battery safety guidelines. And you also have a menu on the propeller guards. All this from DJI. You also got a manual on the battery to power bank adapter. And last but not least, you have a Mavic Air battery charging hub user guide. Lots of things to go over. And it sounds like there's something else in here. Oh, the DJI Care Refresh. You've got one of those QR code things that you scan, and I think this has to do something with insurance or something you buy, some sort of warranty, something to keep your DJ or your Mavic flying. And it's support. Scan this code with Facebook Messenger app. All right. And that's it for that. Okay, let's open the Mavic Air shoulder bag to see what's inside here. This is a very nice looking bag. Looks like it's high quality, very durable. This is what the inside of the bag looks like. First thing I want to pull out is the controller. Wow, this is nice. Nice and heavy. The DJI controller. Wow, I'm impressed. Feel that, honey? Ah, there you say. You're doing a video. Nice, isn't it? Alright, let's see what's inside this box here. Got all kind of goodies inside here. Oh, we have blades. These are the DJI impeller blades. Okay, you got 8 of them here. Alright. Inside here, you've got your phone connections. Your RC connections. I believe it's the controller defaults to iPhone. So one of these is going to be, I believe it's this one here. It's going to be for my Samsung. I got the Android, so I'm going to have to take this one, put this one in, and take the iPhone. I don't have an iPhone. Take that one out. And this looks like charging connections for your cable, for your battery charger, for your controller. Charge it, and these are also special connections. You got this is like you have a couple of special controller knobs for your controller also inside here. So this is part of the Fly More combo kit. And there's something else here, and this looks like some sort of battery charger for your battery. Okay, enough of that. More things. This looks like that battery charging. Oh, yeah, okay. This thing looks like it opens up and it charges 4 batteries at a time. From what I hear, it really only charges 1 battery at a time. But it picks the highest charge battery first, so it'll charge that one up, then automatically move to the next battery and to the next battery. So it takes up to 4 batteries. Okay. And looks like, wow, this looks like an adapter for your battery charger. That's what this is. Yes. battery charger adapter, also for your controller. We have your connector for your power to the wall, 110 for this. And looks like we have an extra battery. The Flymore combo kit comes with 2 extra batteries. The Mavic Air itself comes with a battery, so the third battery is already connected. This is a smart battery. This is for actually you see how much charge it has. We'll see that once we fire it up. Then here's your other battery charger. So that's what's inside the case. How that all goes back together, I don't know. Alright, anyway, here we go. The DJI Mavic Air. Another nice looking case. It matches that. Let's see what's inside this. And here is the crown jewel, the DJI Mavic Air. What a beauty. Wow, look at that. This is the back. Front, as you see, the blades, they fold out. This is the front. This is the gimbal protector. We got to make sure to take that off before we fly it. Got all kind of sensors on this thing. Bottom sensor to sense when it's going to land. You also have sensors in the back. APS keeps it from running into things. This thing actually either stops or either flies over or around objects. And then you also have sensors on the front along with your camera. Anyway, that's the unboxing of the Mavic Air. It's a beauty. It's a real beauty. So I'm going to charge the camera or charge the batteries up, and we are going to end this video. We'll see you next time around. Thank you.